Welcome to the best picks. The Best Hatch alarm is probably one of the most sought-after alarm clocks on the market, renowned for its gentle wake-up system using a sunrise simulation and a variety of customizable sounds, and it seamlessly integrates smart home features for a truly personalized experience. But is it worth the hype and your hard-earned money? Today, we will deep dive into the features, pros, and cons of the Hatch alarm to help you decide if it's the right alarm clock for you. Number 5. Hatch Rest Plus 2nd Gen. It's an all-in-one sleep device that teaches healthy sleep habits and develops independent sleep at every age and stage. From light and sound pairings that build your baby's first sleep routine, to music and stories that help kids wind down at night, it helps the whole family sleep easier. Create routines that signal sleep for little ones. Dreamy light and music soothes them at bedtime and keeps them sleeping through the night. It helps create a calming and consistent bedtime routine. Customize light and sound combinations for signals to keep their routine on track. Cue your little ones for naps and bedtime, or let your early riser know when to stay in bed and when it's okay to get up. It is Wi-Fi enabled. Adjust settings and set schedules remotely with your smartphone or control volume and night light by touch with easy access buttons on the device. You can easily manage it from anywhere. Access music, stories, and personalized goodnight notes to help your little one wind down and fall asleep easily with Hatch Plus. Subscription sold separately in-app, free trial included. It offers a wide variety of sounds and features to personalize your child's sleep experience. It requires Bluetooth for setup and a stable Wi-Fi connection for ongoing use and will only work when plugged into a power outlet. Make sure you have a strong internet connection for optimal performance. What we like. It's an all-in-one sleep device that helps your little one develop healthy sleep habits. If you are looking for a way to create a calming bedtime routine and teach independence, this is the perfect choice. It's suitable for babies and toddlers, helping them fall asleep and stay asleep through the night. What people say. The variety of soothing sounds is amazing, perfect for helping little ones, or even me, fall asleep. I especially like how the nightlight gives off a soft, warm glow that's not too bright but just enough to move around without tripping over anything. The machine itself is a great size, looks nice, and blends nicely with most decor. The sound quality is great and has lots of available options. Lights, color and brightness both fully customizable. Volume, many kids' white noise machines aren't loud enough for us, not the case with this one. At max volume, it's way too loud. Loops, neither the wind or TV sounds have discernible loops. The sound quality and speaker are both great. Ease of use, easy to download and connect to the app. Programmability, this has been by far the greatest feature. Number 4. Hatch Rest Plus Baby Sound Machine. It's the latest and updated sound machine to help your little one dream. It plays soothing sounds like white noise, wind, rain, and lullabies to create a calming sleep environment. Make midnight feeding soothing and the dark less scary with its reassuring glow. It features calming sounds to help your baby wind down. It's portable and has an 8-hour battery, so it can follow your little one wherever naps happen. Keep them dreaming, no matter where you are. Set it up to let your early riser know when it's time to get up, or use it to cue your little one for bedtime. It helps build healthy sleep habits. Consider adding a Hatch Plus membership for access to bedtime stories, classic music, and more expert-curated sleep content. A free trial is included. What we like. It's a sound machine and night light with a portable design and long-lasting battery. If you need a device that can easily move from room to room, or even travel with you, this is ideal. It's perfect for parents who want to soothe their child during naps or nighttime feedings, no matter where they are. What people say. It sits on a charging base all day. At night I can put it near the bassinet without concern, there is no cord. If he falls asleep in his swing I can put it next to the swing. The sounds are better than the swing's music. It has a ton of different sounds and colors. You can use the app to set programs up to set the sounds to lights. You can set timers and link different programs. There is a clock display. Super helpful for quick reference. The battery holds a charge for 8 to 10 hours, depending on how much you use it. It sends an alert through the app when it needs to be charged. I appreciate the reminder. Number 3. Hatch Restore 1, 2020. This is Hatch Restore 1, your new sleep companion. It's a sound machine, sunrise alarm, and so much more, all designed to help you create a personalized sleep-wake routine. It comes with a variety of built-in nature sounds and white noise to help you relax and fall asleep. For even more content, check out the Hatch Sleep membership. With a Hatch Sleep membership, you'll unlock meditations, sleep stories, soundscapes, and curated wind-down channels. It's an optional subscription with a free trial. Control it easily using the soft touch buttons on the device or download the free app for iOS and Android. It offers a seamless user experience. It uses Bluetooth for initial setup and requires a stable Wi-Fi connection for continued use. Remember, it needs to be plugged in to work. While this is a great device, an improved version, the Hatch Restore 3, is now available on Amazon. Consider upgrading for the latest features. What we like. It's a sound machine and sunrise alarm clock designed to help you wake up gently. If you are looking for a more natural way to wake up and avoid the jarring sound of a traditional alarm, this is a great option. It's suitable for adults who want a peaceful and gradual wake-up experience. What people say. It has been a long time since I've woken up in a peaceful way. Many alarm clocks are jarring for me, since I'm a light sleeper. I feel like I'm being pulled out of the layers of sleep rather than being yanked into awareness. I've enjoyed that this alarm has a sunrise setting. This feature has assisted in my subconscious awakening before I'm fully ready to wake up. When I am ready to wake up, I feel more at peace, awake, and aware of my surroundings without feeling the need to instantly reach for coffee. There are over several different sunrises as well as tone colors to choose from, ranging from natural incandescent lighting to pastel and vivid tones. Number 2. Hatch Restore 2. It covers background noises with sounds inspired by nature. Drift off peacefully to the sounds of nature, helping you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. It's a sunrise alarm clock that supports your natural circadian rhythm. Wake up refreshed and naturally, without the jarring sound of a traditional alarm. It has a dimmable clock that keeps your room dark. Enjoy a dark and peaceful sleep environment, customized to your preferences. It features simple controls. A single button press starts your nighttime routine or turns off your morning alarm. Customize your routines with the free companion app, available on iOS and Android. It comes with a power adapter and instruction manual, as well as limited sleep sounds and content. To access even more content, upgrade to Hatch Plus. It comes fully loaded with high-quality nature sounds and white noise to drown out distractions and help you drift to sleep. Enjoy a variety of soundscapes to create the perfect sleep environment. To access even more content, including meditations, sleep stories, soundscapes and curated wind-down channels, give Hatch Plus membership a try. Subscription sold separately in app, free trial included. What we like. It's a sunrise alarm clock with a dimmable light and soothing sounds. If you are a heavy sleeper and want a gentle wake-up experience, this is for you. It's perfect for those who want to improve their sleep quality and wake up feeling refreshed. What people say. The sunrise alarm which gradually brightens our room, mimicking a natural sunrise and allowing us to feel more refreshed and less startled. The customizable sounds and soothing noise options create such a calming, peaceful atmosphere that makes waking up feel like a pleasant experience rather than a jarring event. The sunrise alarm feature is so delightful. The Restore 3 is bright enough to wake me gently but effectively. I wake up refreshed and not jarred by a blaring iPhone sound, which has made a world of difference in how I start my day. Number 1. Vivilumens Sunrise Alarm Clock. Setting up this alarm clock is a breeze. A quick start guide and video tutorials make it simple to master all the functions. Its compact design fits easily into any bedroom. Start your day peacefully with its wake light feature. It gradually brightens, simulating a sunrise, to gently awaken you. Say goodbye to harsh alarm sounds. It features 2 customizable alarms, perfect for different schedules. You can also choose between 12-hour or 24-hour time display to suit your preference. Drift off to sleep with one of 10 soothing sounds. Set a timer for 30, 60, or 90 minutes, and let the calming sounds and soft light lull you to sleep. This alarm clock offers 3 brightness levels, acting as a night light. It also includes a snooze function and a gradual volume increase for a gentle wake-up experience, even for heavy sleepers. It's designed to help even the deepest sleepers wake up gently. The snooze mode, gradual volume increase, and 9-minute power nap function ensure a refreshed start to your day. What we like. It's a sunrise alarm clock with multiple white noise sounds and a dual alarm. If you need a customizable alarm clock that caters to different wake-up times, this is a great choice. It's suitable for those who want a gentle wake-up experience and appreciate the versatility of a dual alarm. What people say. The lamp itself is bright enough to read by and the whole thing is stylish. So impressed by its simplicity and minimal feel. It blends right in, and looks incredibly well designed to match wherever you place it. The light is bright, and it is great that there are options for brightness and sounds. Next, the ultimate reason I purchased this was the sunrise feature. And it really works. This clock allows us to put blackout curtains in our bedroom for a good night's sleep, but still wake up easily and feel refreshed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.